Hi everyone and welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you how to use the schedule library of Python for scheduling different tasks. Now, I've used many scheduling libraries over the course of few years like APS Scheduler Python, Celery, Cron tab, and so on. But this is by far one of the very lightweight, easy to use, and powerful libraries for scheduling. So, as you can see, you can open the link from this video. You can copy this link and read the documentation. And what I'll be showing you is to make a simple function to show how to use this library. So as you can see, I've made a virtual environment and I've already pip installed schedule. So now I'll be going back to the documentation and I'll be clicking on example and I'll be copying this code. So if I go here, I paste it. Yeah. So I've imported the schedule library time, then I've made a simple function which will print something, and then comes my logic. Now for the sake of this video, I want to keep it very simple. So I'm gonna remove all the redundant part and I'm gonna schedule my function every 3 seconds. So as you can see, these are all keywords, inbuilt keywords of this library schedule. And this piece of code helps me run my uh, this piece of function. Now this time.sleep is optional, but again it depends upon the use case. So I'm keeping it as it is. So now I click on the run. And yes, so every 3 seconds, as you can see, it is getting printed. So let me do one thing. Let me stop it. Let me modify my code just to show you how you can play with it. So I initiate X and at a global scope, then I use a global keyword. I call it in my function, this print line, then I increment it by 1. And let me print it every 2 seconds instead of 3. So yeah, every 2 seconds my code is getting printed and it is being incremented as well. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on and so forth. Right? Now this is one of the most simplest libraries. Why? Because normally you have to make a jobs.py and an updater.py and you have to write more lines of code, but everything is handled by this one line. And I can even modify it, like I can write schedule dot every. Instead of second, I can write like minutes, every 2 minutes. Okay, if you want that minute or minutes and do job, then I can do this every hour and I can do this every day at a certain time. So I can play with it, I can use it as I want. Now, going back to the documentation, I can even further fine tune it. I can run this job at every hour at a specific minute, right? So 40-second minute of every hour I can run this. I can run this job every day at a specific time. For example, if I have an employee database, I want to increment their work experience every day at a certain time, I can do this. Then I can run it at a specific time of the week at a specific minute time like this. So on so forth. Now, how powerful it is that even I can make different jobs and different threads for in it, and then I can assign each job a specific thread. So I can do multi-threading with it even. So this is out of the scope of this video, but just to tell you how powerful it is, maybe you might be needing it. I don't know. So in the next video, what I'll be showing you, I'll be telling you how to send automatic birthday notifications, yeah, to people in your company or anywhere by using the schedule library. So if you like this video, if you like this library for how simple it is, how it makes your work very organized and simple, please do give me a thumbs up, a like to this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.